So today I am going to talk about a very important concept, that is the polarization of matter. So in the early lecture I talked about two types of materials. So one is known as non-polar dielectric, and another I talked about that the polar dielectric, right? So what is there in the polar and the non-polar dielectric? Say the polar dielectric, the non-polar dielectric consists of polar non-polar molecules. Like this. And all the molecules are randomly distributed, right? And in polar dielectric, positive negative centers are separated apart. Like this. Right, that's what will happen. So here, since every molecule is randomly oriented, even each molecule having a net dipole moment, each molecule having a dipole moment, but overall net dipole moment will be 0. As I talked about it in the earlier lecture, dipole moment will be 0, and here is also net dipole moment is 0 because every molecule having a dipole moment 0, right? It will be 0 dipole moment. So what happens when these are placed in the electric field? So suppose they are placed in the electric field. So when the dielectric is placed in the electric field, then what will happen? Say these are the dielectrics, and when they are placed in the electric field, say this is the, so then what will happen? Means say plus q charge is applied here, and it's a minus q charge, similarly plus q and the minus q. So electric field is applied in this direction. Say E naught is the electric field, it is the applied field. This direction, it's from positive to negative. So what will happen due to application of this electric field? Say first of all let me talk about the non-polar non-polar dielectric. So then what will happen? Some dipole moment will be induced over every molecule or the every constituent. So this is negative positive, and there is realignment of the every molecule. Like this. So that means since their effect will be cancel it out, but overall say charge will be induced over the surfaces. Say negative charge will be induced because of this polarization. So let us call it as minus qp will be the charge separated over the surface which is perpendicular to the electric field. This because this surface is perpendicular to electric field, and similarly plus qp charge will be separated over this, and that's what will happen to the polar dielectric also, like this. As I discussed it in the earlier lecture, right? So net charge will be separated, net charge will be developed over this, say minus qp and plus qp over the surface. Which surface? The surface which is perpendicular to it. So due to the application of field, charges appears on the slab, on the surfaces of the slab which are perpendicular to the direction of electric field. And these charges known as are known as induced charges. Induced charges or polarization surface charges. Polarization surface charges, and they are represented by qp, and this process is known as polarization of dielectric. Polarization of dielectric. So that means what will happen? Let us have a look at it now. So due to this, an electric field will be set up, because positive charge will be developed over this face and negative charge will be developed. So because of this, an electric field will be set up inside the dielectric, and let us say that is represented by EP. But it is in the direction opposite to that of the applied electric field. It is opposite to that of the applied electric field. And D is the separation between the charges. Right? So that means this is known as the induced electric field. Induced electric field will be there, and its direction is opposite to E naught. Its direction is opposite to E naught, right? So this is all about the polarization of polarization of dielectric, or the polarization of matter, right? So that's all for this lecture.